Hi everyone, welcome to Ingridjoyaromas. Today I'm making a simple soap. So today we need some mango fragrance oil, and then we need some unscented soap. So I'm using cocoa butter soap today, but unscented. And then you need a bottle to put it in. So with mango essential oil, mango is rich in vitamin and mineral. It have a whole bunch of health benefit included digestive and eye health. So what I'm doing right now, I am going to put some of this soap inside this bottle. Yes, it's unscented. And then I'm going to cap it. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to give it a good shake. Mango is also good for men health. And it's so quick and easy, guys. What I do is I just get the unscented soap, and you can always add different essential oils or fragrance oil to your soap. What I do, I don't worry go buy expensive soap anymore. What I do, I will go and get some unscented soap, whether it is lotion or unsoap or bubble bath, and I get the unscented one. So I will go ahead and I will just mix my different oils together. So sometimes I don't have to use a plug-in in my walls. Just the fragrance from my bathroom or my soaps, just smell up the whole place. And even when you're doing your dishes, I mean, you can also go ahead and add your different oils to your soap in the kitchen, and it is so nice when you finish with your dishes. So the soap, that the essential oil or fragrance oil that you'll use in your product, like giving yourself a bath or even wash your hands, it's not the same oil you will use in your kitchen. You will use something like lemon or lime or oranges, something like that. Those are the oil you'll be using in the kitchen. But yeah, go ahead and try these little project. It will save you a bunch of money, and also you would be more healthier. Yes, give this a good shake again. And it smells so good, guys. while I'm making this. It smells so good. Awesome. Have a good day, everyone. Be good to yourself. Bye.